can't go wrong if you kill a kitten. God, so pretty, right? There's no crime that you'll be committing. I know the law, you can write kill a kitten. And if you need yarn for that scarf you're knitting, you'll get plenty if you come on, kill a kitten. Feed it turpentine or break its spine. Crush it with your shoes as long as you kill a kitten. Kill a kitten. Alright, take it, Rodney, go. If the one you love isn't quite as stretching, what you like, you better if you kill a kitten. And I'll quote the Bible, 'cause that's where it's written. If you love Jesus, he must kill a kitten. It's in the Bible, right? I read it. What book? Craig. Flush him down the can, hit him with your van, drown him in a lake, bake a kitty cake, throw him at a train, make him snort cocaine, stick some TNT up his cat booty, do what you must do as long